Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to take you on a journey to explore the incredible power of Zapier and how it can automate your daily tasks. If you're someone who juggles multiple tools and platforms, this guide is for you. Together, we'll simplify complex processes, save time, and unlock productivity like never before. Let's start with a common scenario. Imagine you're a content creator like me. My researcher often sends findings via email. Normally, I'd have to open the email, copy the content, and manually upload it to Google Drive. A tedious process. But with Zapier, this workflow becomes effortless. As soon as the email lands in my inbox, the content is automatically uploaded to my drive without any intervention. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive in and see how it works in action. First, head over to the Zapier website. Don't worry if you encounter initial setup prompts like questions from Google. You can skip these if you'd like. Once inside, you'll notice Zapier's clean and intuitive interface. On the left-hand side, there are features like tables and canvas, while the central section allows you to craft your automation ideas. You can either describe your requirements for tailored templates or select from an extensive collection of pre-made templates showcased right below. To begin building your automation, click on the Create icon located on the left. This action reveals a menu where you'll find various options, including Zaps, Zapier's term for automated workflows. Clicking on this option brings up a user-friendly interface where you can start connecting the dots between your favorite apps to create seamless workflows. Zapier's automation revolves around two essential components: triggers and actions. Think of a trigger as the spark that sets your automation in motion. For example, in our case, the trigger is receiving a new email. Depending on your needs, you can pick from other triggers, such as receiving a new attachment or a new marketing email. Each option comes with a description, helping you make the right choice for your specific workflow. Once you've chosen your trigger, you'll connect the corresponding account and specify details like which folder or mailbox Zapier should monitor. Zapier will even fetch recent data to verify the setup, ensuring everything is working perfectly. Now let's move on to the action. This is what happens after the trigger. Actions might include creating files, generating documents, or even sending notifications. For our email example, we'll select Create File from Text, allowing Zapier to convert the email content into a Google Drive document. What's more, Zapier's AI tools add another layer of convenience. You can simply describe what you want the action to accomplish, and Zapier will set it up for you. Once everything is configured, it's time to test the automation. If set up correctly, any new email matching your criteria will automatically trigger the workflow, uploading its content to Google Drive as a document. No more manual copying, saving, or uploading, it's all handled in the background. Beyond simple workflows, Zapier offers advanced capabilities for creating multi-step automations. These allow you to connect multiple apps and perform intricate sequences of actions tailored to your unique requirements. For example, you can send data from your email to a CRM tool, then trigger a Slack notification, all within one zap. Zapier's flexibility extends to a wide range of industries and professionals. Fitness coaches can automate client check-ins and nutrition tracking. Hotels can enhance guest experiences with automated WhatsApp bots. Marketing agencies can streamline processes like client onboarding or campaign reporting. By automating repetitive tasks, Zapier frees you to focus on what truly matters. Whether you're a small business owner, a social media influencer, or part of a larger organization, this tool adapts to your needs and helps you achieve more in less time. And there you have it. A complete guide to getting started with Zapier and transforming the way you work. If you're ready to boost your productivity and save countless hours, why not give it a try? Thank you for watching.